I just think it's really beautiful where you just drive by a really cool house and you see an awesome like iron gate. Just the scrolls and kind of the delicacy of it, even though it's like made with a really like hard object and it's a hard process to go through, I think it can all really come out really delicate and awesome. That's beautiful to me. I was born in Longmont, Colorado, and grew up on kind of like a farm. Always wanted to fish, dirt bike, always on a lawnmower, anything that I could get my hands on. And once my parents split, then we ended up in Boulder with my mom most of the time, but on and off with my dad. I went through high school. I had a really tough time, switched schools a lot. And my mom got me enrolled in like a jewelry program, and I just fell in love with being able to take something very simple and make something really rad out of it. And then once I graduated, my dad employed me as a tiler, and him building custom homes and everything, I just got to see all the amazing work that went into it. So it was always kind of in the back of my mind. And then I started losing friends really, really fast. Boulder is kind of known as this hippie town, but it's also a very big college town, and I was in the party scene, and I was just like, if I don't get out, I'll be next. So I just made kind of a life decision and just picked up and moved to Austin, not knowing anybody. And so I took a welding class. It was just one class after the other, And I ended up with my degree in metal arts and blacksmithing and certificates in welding. And it was just like, the passion that I had for it was unlike anything I've ever felt. I've made all my tools, like all my tongs, that hammer, everything. So they'll have different colorations to them, but yeah. I'm just kind of passionate about everything I do, but welding wasn't necessarily my path that I wanted to go on. I wanted to be a blacksmith. I wanted to be a metal artist. That's what I wanted to do, but honestly, welding pays the bills. So you had to go down that road. And with this job, I've been able to have options beyond belief that I can work with. I can do blacksmithing, I can do welding, I can do metal art. Like, it's just amazing how many things are thrown my way. I want to inspire little girls, older women, whatever, to just do what you love, and you can do anything. And I think it's really important to believe that you can do anything. I've met some of the most amazing people. My boss, he doesn't even like to be called that. He's like, I'm your partner. You know, I'm not your boss, but he's become one of my best friends. Yeah, this industry is everything to me. Just how much people put in their heart and soul. And like, I can show up to the shop here at 1 a.m. and there's still 4 other people here just working, trying to create, trying to build a name for themselves. I think that it's vital to me to keep being in this industry.